Welcome to Navya's world. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of one of the most stunning birds on the planet, the blue and yellow macaw. Known for their striking blue and golden yellow feathers, these birds are truly a masterpiece of nature. Native to the lush rainforests of South America, the blue and yellow macaw is more than just a pretty face. Macaws are incredibly intelligent and social birds. In the wild, they live in pairs or small flocks, and their calls echo through the forest canopy. Their natural habitat spans the rainforests of countries like Brazil, Venezuela, and Peru. Unfortunately, deforestation and the illegal pet trade threaten their populations. From their vibrant plumage to their graceful flight, the blue and yellow macaw is a true marvel. Watching them in their natural environment reminds us of the importance of protecting our planet's wildlife. Did you know that blue and yellow macaws can live up to 50 years or more in the wild? They are also exceptional mimics, often learning to replicate human speech in captivity. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of the blue and yellow macaw. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Master Navya for more incredible wildlife content.